We are biggest manufacturers and fabricators of PEV buildings for industrial sheds, factories, companies, complexes, everything. We do fast fabrication works, multi-stores buildings with a PEV technology. Our phone number 9246372692. We do any size of industrial sheds up to 1 lakh square feet with the different shapes, models, angles as per the specifications and engineering technology we use. For anywhere in India, if required PEB buildings, just call us 9246372692. We do complete Trunkey project from civil works to construction, fabrication, and PEB manufacturing, everything. Biggest manufacturing facility we have with the latest technology missions and sophisticated civil engineer works. Our phone number 9246372692. Thank you.